Hello sir, this is Ranjit Sitapa here. Today I'm going to explain about the my master capstone project, that is Whichstep.io. About the sprint one. This sprint one was started on 28th of April, and the expected due date was on 3rd of May, and that is today. And this software application is been found by a group of 3 team members, and one is myself, Ranjit Sitapa, and Gurzan Singh and Daman Bir Singh. Some of the user stories which are associated with the product backlog I'd like to share here, like in the research about Snowflow Analytics, Kinesis Analytics, and Lambda Expression. These are the software tools used for the design and development of the Witstep IO. These are a part of AWS family, and research about this has been completed. And I had organized client meeting in order to provide the software credentials for this softwares. But however, Snowflow Analytics access is still pending because since it is a paid version. And I went on research about AWS, and I gained some ideas like how to utilize these software tools for what purpose at what point of time. And now I'd like to show my sprint work. Like I'd assigned the two tasks, like application flowchart creation and creation of entity relationship diagrams. For this, like I had a client meeting. My client told me that like they will be providing the database model architecture as soon as possible. Once I receive the database architecture model, I can create a flowchart, because without that we can not able to create. And I thought of creating a creation entity relationship diagrams by creating database tables by using MySQL. But however, my client told me to use the Google Firebase Cloud, which has already been created and the tables are existing. And however, the data here is not been not been stored in the form of a row. It will be formed in the form of collections. So once when I get the access and for the updated database, I can create a ER diagram as early as possible. So I had an interaction with my client today with respect to the sprint one. So they told me like they'll be providing the database model tomorrow. Once when I collect these models, I can create the flowchart and the entity relationship diagram as well. Okay, some of the changes that needs to be done for the next sprint are like I need to follow up with the Google Firebase Cloud for the database. However, I cannot able to use MySQL, and the flowchart needs to be enhanced by using the database model. And speaking about like some of the knowledge I gained in the past sprint are, I researched about using like the AWS tools, some of the AWS tools like AWS Lambda and Kinesis Flow Path Analytics and Kinesis Analytics as well. Like this Lambda helps us to execute the program without having any servers, and this saves a huge amount of time. And Kinesis Analytics is used to analyze the data, and it also by using this tool we can judge the real-time data, like how many users are using it, viewing it at any single point of time. And the Snowflow analytics, that access is not been provided. Once the access is provided, we can use it. That is also used in order to calculate the data analytic part. So now, then one more software tool he told me is like Google Firebase. However, I created my account, and here we are going to use the analytical part for creating the database dashboard, and where we can create the dashboard for the data, like how many users are using, and how much data is being used by particular user, and we can calculate the real-time analytics by using this. Like I gained some of the experience by how to use software applications at certain point of time in this sprint, like AWS family and Google Firebase as well. uh, Thank you, sir.